Supply chain management.
Generally, supply chain management is a process of transforming input into output through production process, which involves a relationship with supplier goals to fulfill customers' demand. The fundamental objective is to add value. By adding value at each step in service-oriented value and manufacturing supply chains, it aims to create the value that matches preference of customer as well as other stakeholders. There are 7 principles of supply chain management as articulated by Andersen Consulting. The first principle is segment customer based on service needs. Firms usually group their customer by industry, trade channels, or product. Therefore, effective supply chain management should be able to provide needs to the segmented group and fulfilling their needs to create customer satisfaction. Second principles, customize the supply chain management network. Firm needs to focus in identifying service required and profitability in designing their supply chain management network from identified customer segment. Third, listen to signals of market demand and plan accordingly. Sales and operation planning is crucial in order to have a knowledge in changes in demands to meet market needs. This is to give firms to be more effective in allocating their resources and forecasting budget. Next, differentiate product closer to the customers. Firms usually produce products that close to actual customers' demands. Therefore, they will delay product differentiations to avoid productions that are not required by the demand. The fifth principle is strategically manage the sources of supply. Andersen advises that the firm should go for many suppliers to determine for the lowest cost of resources required. Hence, supply chain management leaders should work closely with key suppliers to reduce overall cost of material and services. Another principle is to develop a supply chain-wide technology strategy. Information technology is used to support every level in decision-making, so that the firm is able to produce product more efficient by using the latest technology, which will improve the flows of products, services, and information. The last principle is to adopt channel spanning performance measure. Firms will focus on every activity that link in the supply chains to enhance firm financial metrics and services, such as account through profitability.
Basic supply chain involves 3 main entities, which are the producer, supplier, and customer. There are 4 basic flows in connecting all 3 entities. The first flow involves in the movement of physical materials and services from suppliers to the end customer. It includes materials, components, supplies, services, and finished goods. The second flow is the movement of cash flow from the customers to the raw material suppliers. This flow includes payment of products and supplies. Meanwhile, for the third flow, it involves in a flow of information back and forth along the chain. Examples are invoices and receipts. And the last flow is the reverse flow of product return, which includes returns for repair, replacement, recycling, and disposal.
Created using Powtoon.